हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू प्रेपिस्तान यूट्यूब चैनल। गाइस, आज की वीडियो में हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं इस्लामिक स्टडीज सीरीज क्लास 4। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। MCQ नंबर 1। हज़रत खदीजा डाइड एट द एज ऑफ डैश ईयर। ऑप्शन ए 60 ईयर्स, ऑप्शन बी 63 ईयर्स, ऑप्शन सी 64 ईयर्स, ऑप्शन डी 65 ईयर्स। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी 65 ईयर्स। हजरत अली मैरिड हजरत फातिमा रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हा इन डैश AD। ऑप्शन ए 622 AD, ऑप्शन बी 623 AD, ऑप्शन सी 624 AD, ऑप्शन डी 625 AD। The correct option is option C 624 AD। MCQ number 3। Hazrat Umar Farooq रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हा was martyred on 1st Muharram dash AH। ऑप्शन ए 24 AH, ऑप्शन बी 25 AH, ऑप्शन सी 26 AH एंड ऑप्शन डी 27 AH। करेक्ट वन इज ऑप्शन ए 24 AH। MCQ नंबर 4। Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam spent his last days before the death in the cottage of dash। Option A Hazrat Khadija, Option B Hazrat Ayesha, Option C Hazrat Fatima, Option D Hazrat Hafsa। Correct option is option B Hazrat Ayesha। MCQ number 5। Age of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam at the time of Sheesh alayhi salam birth was dash years। Option A 100, option B 130, option C 160 and option D 190। Correct answer is option B 130। MCQ number 6। The reward of dash prayer is equal to the reward of Hajj or Umrah। Option A Namaz-e-Ishraq, option B Namaz-e-Khasoof, option C Namaz-e-Janaza, option D Namaz-e-Istasqa। Correct option is option A Namaz-e-Ishraq। MCQ number 7। Dash many times Hazrat Nooh alayhi salam name is mentioned in Holy Quran। Option A 41, option B 42, option C 43 and option 4 44। Correct option is option C 43। MCQ number 8। Dash was a leader of pagans in the battle of Badr। Option A Abu Sufyan, option B Utbah, option C Abu Jahl, option D none of these। Correct option is option C Abu Jahl। MCQ number 9। How many times word zakat is used in Makki surahs? Option A 22, option B 21, option C 19, option D 23। Correct answer is option A 22। Dash are not entitled to get zakat। Option A parents, husband, wife and children। Option B uncle, sister and husband। Option C brother, nephew and children। Option D parents, brother and wife। Correct option is option A parents, husband, wife and children। MCQ number 11। Surah Namal means option A goat, option B camel, option C ant, option D none of these। Correct option is option C ant। MCQ number 12. Dash Prophet would not eat food without guests. Option A, Hazrat Nooh. Option B, Hazrat Yaqoob. Option C, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Option D, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Correct option is option D, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. MCQ number 13. Dash many surahs of Holy Quran start with the word Qad. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3 and option D 4. Correct option is option B 2. MCQ number 14. 27 attributes of Allah are mentioned in Dash surah. Option A Yasin, option B Maida, option C Rahman, option D Hadid. The correct one is option D Hadid. MCQ number 15. Names of the sons of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam are: option A Hazrat Ismail and Hazrat Harun, option B Hazrat Harun and Hazrat Ishaq, option C Hazrat Ismail and Hazrat Ishaq, and option D none of these. Correct one is option C, Hazrat Ismail and Hazrat Ishaq. MCQ number 16. Dash surah is revealed in the respect of Ahle Bayt. Option A Baqarah, option B Luqman, option C Dahr, option D Nisa. Correct option is option C Dahr. MCQ number 17. Dash many sons Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam had. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D none of these. Correct option is option B 2. MCQ number 18. In Dash surah every verse ends with the letter Dal. Option A Iqra, option B Ikhlas, option C Falaq, option D Balad. Correct option is option B Ikhlas. MCQ number 19. In Dash surah every verse ends with the letter Ra. Option A Buruj, option B Darik, option C Kosar, option D Shams. Correct option is option C Kosar. MCQ number 20. Masarif of Zakat are mentioned in Dash surah of Quran Pak. Option A Surah Muzammil, option B Surah Tawbah, option C Surah Al-Nur, option D none of these. Correct option is option B Surah Tawbah. Hope so guys you like this video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for the watching.